Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah. Hello, Adam.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. I'm Adam. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm doing great. Thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
Because the sun is shining. I love sunny days. And you? How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. I am also happy and excited.
Excited? Why?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
A big topic? What is it?
Today, we talk about how to train your brain to speak in English.
Wow, train my brain? Like exercise?
Yes, exercise for your brain. It is not difficult. It is easy and fun.
Okay, I am ready. But wait, before we start,
Oh, yes. Before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
if you like our podcast, please click the like button, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to Easy English Daily. Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share. Share this episode with your family and your friends.
Okay, now I am ready. Let's start. Train my brain!
So, Adam, when you speak English, what do you think?
I think in my language first. Then I translate in my head. Then I speak English.
Yes, many students do this, but it is very slow.
Yes, it is hard work. My brain is tired.
Our goal is to think in English. No translation, just English.
That sounds fast. How do we start?
Start small, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a black pen.
In my head, I don't think pen. I think this is my pen, or my pen is black.
Oh, small sentences in my head?
Exactly. In the morning, you wake up. What do you think?
I think I am awake, or I want coffee. I go to the kitchen.
Yes, that is it. You are thinking in English.
I like this. On the bus, I see a window. I see a car.
Good job, Adam. You connect English to your life, not your language.
Okay, tip 1 is small sentences. What is tip 2?
Tip 2 is input. English in.
English in my ears?
Yes, listening. Like this podcast. We are great input.
I like that. What else can I listen to?
Simple songs. Find music you like. When you like the music, it is not work. It is fun.
And watching? Can I watch movies?
Movies are sometimes too fast. Find things you like. Do you like cooking, Adam?
I love cooking.
Find simple cooking videos in English. The person says, I cut the tomato. I add salt.
Oh, I see the action and I hear the word. My brain is happy.
A happy brain learns more.
Tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input. Ready for tip 3?
Tip 3 is output. English out.
But Sarah, I am alone. I have no one to talk to.
You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself? People will think I am crazy.
No. Do it in your room. Describe your room.
This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a laptop.
Amazing, Adam. Your ears need to hear your voice.
It feels strange, but good. I am not translating. I see the bed. I say bed.
Yes, you can also talk about your day at night. Today, I ate pasta. I talked to Sarah.
I can start alone. Okay, Sarah, I know about thinking, listening, and speaking. What's next?
Tip 4 is repeat and imitate.
Repeat? I understand. But imitate?
Imitate means copy. copy the speaker.
Like an actor?
Yes, exactly like an actor.
Listen to a sentence. I am very happy today. And now I want you to repeat it.
I am very happy today.
Good. Now copy the voice, the feeling, the sound.
I am very happy today.
Perfect. This helps your pronunciation.
So I don't just repeat, I act.
Yes, you speak like a real English speaker.
Okay, what is tip 5?
Use English every day.
Every day? That sounds hard.
No. Start small. For example, change your phone language to English. Think in English when you walk.
Oh, simple things.
Yes, even one sentence a day is great.
I can do that.
English should be part of your daily life.
I have a problem.
What is it?
I am afraid to speak English.
That is normal. Many people feel this way.
I am afraid of mistakes.
Listen carefully. Mistakes are good.
Really?
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
I am learning.
Not perfect, just learning.
I feel better now.
Good. Be brave. Speak and learn. Okay, Adam, I have another great tip for your brain.
Oh, tell me. I want my brain to be strong.
Use sticky notes. You know, the small yellow papers?
Yes, I have many on my desk.
Write the name of things in English and stick them around your house.
Like mirror on the mirror and door on the door?
Exactly. Every time you look at the mirror, you see the word mirror. You don't need to study. Your brain just sees it.
That is smart. I will put fridge on the fridge. I see it every time I want to eat.
Yes, it's a very easy way to learn new words without hard work.
Okay, I like the sticky notes. What else, Sarah?
This one is very powerful. The 2-minute summary.
2 minutes? That is very short.
Yes, after you watch a video or read a small story, try to talk about it for only 2 minutes.
In English?
Yes, in English. Just say, the video was about dogs. I saw a brown dog. It was happy.
Oh, so I don't need to say everything, just the big ideas.
Exactly. It trains your brain to find the important words quickly.
I can do that. 2 minutes is easy.
Yes. My last tip for today is about your phone.
My phone? I use my phone all day.
Change the language of your phone to English.
But Sarah, that is scary. What if I get lost?
You won't get lost. You know where the buttons are.
True. I know where settings is and where messages are.
When you see settings and battery and camera in English every day, your brain thinks English is a normal part of my life.
I see. It's not a lesson anymore. It's just my phone.
Precisely. It's a small change with a big result.
Wow, Sarah. Let's review all 9 tips now. Tip 1 is think in small sentences.
Tip 2. Listen and watch what you love.
Tip 3, speak to yourself.
Tip 4. Sticky notes. Put English words around your house.
Tip 5, 2-minute summary. Talk about what you see or read.
Tip 6. Phone language. Change your phone to English.
Tip 7, repeat and imitate.
Tip 8. Use English every day.
Tip 9, don't be afraid. Wow, Sarah, these tips are really simple but powerful. I feel like I can actually do them.
That's the goal, Adam. English is not about pressure. It's about small daily habits.
So if I do a little bit every day, I will improve?
Exactly. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything over time.
I like that idea. No stress, just progress.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak. Just try.
Okay, I will try more from today. I will speak, I will write, and I will use sticky notes everywhere.
That's the spirit. And don't forget the most important thing.
What is it?
Enjoy the process. If you enjoy learning, you will never stop.
I think I'm starting to enjoy it already.
Great.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Start today.
And little by little, you will see big progress.
Thank you for watching Easy English Daily.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone.